After a blockbuster first race of the season, the second race of the season, that is Styrian Grand Prix, was held at Red Bull Ring from 10 to 12 July, was a quite interesting one. The qualifying session of the race was held in a rainy weather. These are the results of the qualifying session. Lewis Hamilton on pole position for the first time this season. Max Verstappen on second place for the second time this year. Carlos Sainz on third. Valtteri Bottas on fourth. Esteban Ocon on fifth. Lando Norris started on sixth position as he was given a 3-place grid penalty for overtaking under yellow flags. Alexander Albon starts on 7th. Pierre Gasly on 8th. Daniel Ricciardo on 9th. And the two Ferraris of Sebastian Vettel and Charles Leclerc started on 10th and 11th place respectively. Charles Leclerc started on 11th position as he was given a 3-place grid penalty for impeding Danny Kvyat during the qualifying. George Russell on 12th, Lance Stroll on 13th, and Daniel Kvyat started on 14th position. Kevin Magnussen on 15th, Kimi Raikkonen on 16th, Sergio Perez on 17th, and Nicholas Latifi started on 18th place. Antonio Giovinazzi started on 19th place as he was given a 5-place grid penalty for an unscheduled gearbox change, and Romain Grosjean started from the 20th place. At the start of the first ever Styrian Grand Prix, there was a collision between the two Ferraris at turn 3 of the first lap. At turn 3, there was a collision between Charles Leclerc and Sebastian Vettel, and there was a very huge damage on Sebastian Vettel's rear wing, and Sebastian Vettel retired from the race in the very first lap. In that collision, there was also a damage on left rear floor of Charles Leclerc, and he also retired from the race during the 5th lap, and it was a second DNF for Ferrari in the same race. During the 27th lap, Esteban Ocon retired from the race as smoke was coming out from his brakes, and it was a third retirement of the race. During the 40th lap, Sergio Perez overtook Carlos Sainz, and he said on the radio, "No, better say that." He asked on the radio that, "Did you like that one, man? Did you like that?" Now, this is an interesting battle between Valtteri Bottas and Max Verstappen. During the 40th lap, Valtteri Bottas was chasing Max Verstappen, and the difference between them was 12.7 seconds. And Valtteri Bottas was expected to overtake Max Verstappen during the last lap of the race. During the 43rd lap, the time difference between them was reduced from 12.7 seconds to 6.8 seconds. But Max Verstappen was holding his place very well. During the 55th lap, the gap between Valtteri Bottas and Max Verstappen increased to 7.3 seconds. During the 61st lap, the gap between Valtteri Bottas and Max Verstappen was reduced to just 4 seconds. During the 65th lap, the gap between Max Verstappen and Valtteri Bottas was reduced to just 1.4 seconds. During the 66th lap at turn 4, Valtteri Bottas overtook Max Verstappen, and it was a Mercedes fun too. But at the very next turn, Max Verstappen and Valtteri Bottas went wheel to wheel, and at turn 6, Max Verstappen regained his position. But not for a long while. During the 67th lap, again at turn 4, Valtteri Bottas overtook Max Verstappen, and this time it was a clean move by Valtteri Bottas, and he climbed up to the second place. During the 70th lap, there was a collision between Sergio Perez and Alex Albon at turn 1, and there was a damage on front wing of Sergio Perez. Till now, there was not much action in the race, but there were many overtakings in the last lap of the race. Firstly, Lance Stroll overtook Daniel Ricciardo. Then, near the next turn, Lando Norris overtook Daniel Ricciardo and Daniel Ricciardo lost 2 places within 2 corners. At turn 4, Lando Norris overtook Lance Stroll. But it was not yet over. At the very last turn, Lando Norris overtook Sergio Perez. And at the finishing line, Sergio Perez, Lance Stroll, and Daniel Ricciardo finished the race at very small distances. And it was a very exciting end of the Styrian Grand Prix. In all, it was a very amazing day for Lewis Hamilton as he registered his first victory of the season. This is what was said to Lewis Hamilton when he won the race. These are the results of the race. It was the first 1-2 for Mercedes this season, with Lewis Hamilton finishing on first and Valtteri Bottas finishing on second place. The third and the fourth position were occupied by the two Red Bulls, with Max Verstappen on third and Alexander Albon on fourth place. Lando Norris finishing on fifth place after a very impressive last lap. The sixth and the seventh place were at the name of two racing points, with Sergio Perez finishing on sixth and Lance Stroll finishing on seventh place. The Aussie Daniel Ricciardo finished on 8th place, Carlos Sainz on ninth, Daniel Kvyat on 10th, and Kimi Raikkonen finishing on 11th place. The two Hasses of Kevin Magnussen and Roman Grosjean finishing on 12th and 13th place respectively, with Antonio Giovinazzi finishing on 14th place. Pierre Gasly finishing on 15th place, and the two Williams of George Russell and Nicholas Latifi finishing on 16th and 17th place respectively. There was a DNF in front of Esteban Ocon. Also, it was not a nice day for Ferrari as there were DNF in front of both of the Ferrari drivers, that is Charles Leclerc and Sebastian Vettel. Carlos Sainz won an extra championship point for the fastest lap of the race. In all, it was an amazing day for Lewis Hamilton as he finished on first place with his teammate Valtteri Bottas finishing on second and Max Verstappen finishing on third position.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and do share your suggestions in the comment section.